Okay, what I'm doing, it's still Tactical Thursday. I am going to fix this bell finally. I had it just rigged temporarily up in there, but I got some, I just saw this in my shop. I got some real thin wire because I got to go through a really small hole where the ball is, and then I'll hang it with some black cord because this is so important to me. And then we're going to test it out. My wife gave me that a good while back. Years ago, actually. Isn't that beautiful? Used to hang it inside, but once I got my playground set up out there, that's what it's for, man. That is what it's for. So let me get back with you right here. Hold on. Okay. Always have that available. That's old school, man. A little bit of wire there. And this is a shoelace, but you know what? That shoelace, what brand knife is that? Ontario? Yeah, Ontario knife. I forget which knife blade it was, but yeah, check out my cutting tool. Yeah, I got knives all over the place, and what do I go to? Anyway, yeah, it's Ontario Knives, I think, has a knife. They use the shoestring. I think it was that Navy diving knife I got. Let's see what this does. Now, as long as I don't cut it off, one of my Chris USA, he's one that knows I have a video of me using one of my knives. It might be the K-bar or whatever, but I was slicing through slow motion, and this used to have tassels on it, and it cut right through it. So anyway, you know what? Let's go test the bell. And since I brought this out, this is that Flissa hunting survival knife with the blood groove. That's right, D2 steel, micarta scale. Let's go test out the bell, and we'll test it out with this. I absolutely love it. Okay, this is a testing video. This is testing the repaired bell in the playground. Okay, our testing instrument is the Flissa hunting fixed blade knife, micarta scales, D2 steel. Let's test it. We got to warm up. That's much better. Okay, this is not about throwing. This is about the repaired bell. Okay, this video is repairing the bell. Okay. It's not about this. That was good. Wow. Okay, bell tested, and I tested it while throwing the Flissa hunting knife. Yep, bell works.